Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how to send direct messages on Messenger, all updated for your convenience. Whether you're catching up with friends or discussing important matters, Messenger makes it simple and efficient. Let's get started. First, begin by opening the Messenger app on your device. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home screen, ready to connect. Next, navigate to the conversation you want to engage in. You can either scroll through your recent chats or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the person you wish to message. Just tap on their name and you're in. Now, it's time to type your message. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a text box waiting for your thoughts and ideas. Tap inside the box and feel free to express yourself. Whether it's a quick hello, a detailed question, or something funny to brighten their day, it's all up to you. Finally, when you've crafted your perfect message, look for the Send button, which is represented by a paper plane icon. Give it a quick tap, and just like that, your message is on its way. You can relax knowing your thoughts have reached your friend instantly. And that's it. Sending direct messages on Messenger is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Happy messaging!